Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Rabbi zidni ilma. My Lord, increase me in knowledge. Assalamu alaikum. I hope you are in the best of your health. With that hope, I welcome you all to lecture number 2 of English, class 5. These are the contents of today's lecture. Instructions, recap, words, meanings, and sentences. Exercise A, question answers. Exercise C, 1 and 2. These are the instructions to follow. Take 2 notebooks for English, 1 for literature and 1 for English language. Cover each properly. Write your name, class and subject over it. Before you begin your work, draw a margin line on both sides of each page. Write day, date at the top followed by the unit number and the name of the topic. Before we move on to today's lecture, to check your comprehension of the previous lecture, I want you to answer these questions. Why were the people of Chippewa tribe often cold and hungry? Yes, good. What was the custom of that tribe for the boys? Okay. Who entered the wigwam? Warrior, right. What was the gift from the Great Spirit for Chippewa people? Yes, corn. Now, definitely, you understood the moral of the story? Indeed, good deeds never go unrewarded. I hope you have already learned the meanings of difficult words. Now, this is the list of some words. You are required to write them in your notebooks. Number 1, lack, shortage or absence of something. Plumes, feathers. Grieve, to feel sadness. Moccasins, heelless shoes made of soft leather. Utterly, completely. Students, now we will make sentences of the same words. There are 2 sample sentences of each word for your help. Make sure not to write the same in your notebooks and you have to make your own sentences instead. Remember, in the sentences you make, each word should convey its appropriate meaning. Now open your textbooks to page number 31. Let's do exercise A, question answers. Question number 1. In what ways was the tribe content with their lives? Answer is, the Chippewa people were happy and contented as they loved the good things of the earth like sunshine, the forest, and the cool springs of water. Okay, question number 2 is, why do you think the father advised his son to pray to the Great Spirit for a gift? Okay, the answer is, the father advised his son to pray so that the Great Spirit would give a gift for the whole tribe if pleased. Now, question number 3 is, who do you think the young warrior was? I think the young warrior was the Great Spirit himself. Now, question number 4 is, how was the gift sent by the Great Spirit to the Chippewa tribe helpful? How did it improve their lives? The answer is the Great Spirit sent corn as food for the tribe so that they no longer needed to spend all their time and strength hunting animals. Now moving on to the next exercise, C part 1, we have to match the words from list A with the words of list B. For example, list A, harvest, list B, corn. Moving on to exercise C2, we had to sort these words according to their meanings in 4 groups. Wigwam, a North American hut. Teepee, a tent used by Native Americans. Igloo, a dome-shaped house made of snow. Kraal, South African village of huts. Now, Group 2, Tribe, a group of families under a recognized chief. Clan, a group of persons with a common ancestor. Breed, people of the same kind. Race, a group of persons of common stock. Group 3, Oats, cereal grown as food. Barley, cereal used as food. Rye, cereal used for bread as fodder. Corn, cereal, especially wheat and maize. Now, Group 4. Pray, meditate. Adore, regard with deep respect. Worship, respect paid to a divine being. Reverie, respect and admire. Students, you have to draw the picture of the boy and the warrior in your notebooks and color it. Okay, do you remember that practice makes a man perfect? You are required to read the lesson with full concentration as many times as possible and prepare the lesson for the dictation. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.